Here we have the boring for the heat pump installation at Westbarn House. There were 3 boreholes put in, each of around 110 meters. You can see the drilling machine there. Here it's in the site of the first hole. On the left you can see a big tank of water, so that the tank was used to try to lubricate the hole, flush that through. There's a pump on the side there. The house was shrouded in plastic to protect it from the spray. There wasn't much spray at this time, but despite the fact we had the hose on 24/7, there wasn't enough water to run that on its own, so they ended up bringing a compressor in. So there was a lot more spray then. The underlying ground here is chalk, so you'll see that there's quite a lot there. Here they're preparing it, ready to move down to drill the second hole. They're 10 meters apart to reduce interference and maximize yield from the holes there. So this is hole number 2. So you can see them inserting the extra lengths as the bore gets deeper and deeper. On the right hand side there is the pipes ready to be threaded into the hole. Okay, we've now moving into the third position, the third borehole. You can see the drilling machine right over in the far corner there. Now you can see the compressor, the big white machine. The yellow one on the left is a pump. So because there wasn't enough water available from our main system here, they had to resort to the compressor. So here you can see the third borehole, again 10 meter separation from the first hole. So 2 holes on the drive, 1 hole on the grass there. So you can really get a feel for how much equipment is actually required to be brought in for this drilling. Luckily for us, the driveway was needing to be relayed, so we were expecting to have to lift these bricks to relay the driveway up once all the works had completed. So here we're now clearing away everything. Plastics come down, sweeping up some of that mud, horrible sticky mud everywhere. In those white sacks is the heat grouting, which goes down the hole to provide heat conductivity once they threaded the pipes through. So boring's done. Now we've got the trenching team on site, just clearing a pathway there through the driveway for the trench. So we've got to connect the 3 boreholes together into a manifold and into the utility room. Also in the trench, they lay the electricity feed. It's a 7 kilowatt feed. In this house, consumer unit is in the garage, so we're able to lay the new feed through the same trench as the pipe work. So where they're working now, that's where the utility room, where the heat pump will go, where the current boiler is. So preparing there, ready to thread the pipes through. pipes are through. We're now backfilling. So the hole was about just over 1 metre deep. Purpose there is to also gain some heat yield from the 20 plus metres. There you can see the old oil boiler has been pulled out.